The longer this insanity continues, the worse the situation is going to get.
Now, my question to these people is, if there is no military solution in Iraq, how do they think there is a military solution in Afghanistan and on the tribal areas?
I can guarantee you that for 10 years this can go on. And in the US, it might be a loss of money. In Pakistan, we are going under. This country is sinking under this.
Pakistan should own up the war, do not behave as a sort of fighting America's war because America is giving Pakistan the money.
And it has a history of resisting whether it was British or Russians or Mughals before that. So what is happening right now is that this current strategy is pushing these people towards Al-Qaeda.
I would say that this is a deeply flawed policy. It's more of the same. If he's going to send more troops, what are these troops going to do which 150,000 NATO troops could not do?